Hello everyone, I'm very glad to see you in this video. Today we have a special topic, so let's not waste time and get straight to the point. I want to share with you an excellent opportunity to earn money the same way I do. And the best part is that practically nothing is required from you. The thing is, the Newtowns project has launched a distribution of their currency through an airdrop. For those who are not familiar with the term, airdrop in cryptocurrency is a free distribution of tokens by cryptocurrency projects. Why do they do this? They attract attention to their project. They expand their user audience. They reward early participants. Essentially, this is a marketing tool that benefits all parties. We are incredibly lucky to get this opportunity to earn money with practically no effort. All you need to do is connect your crypto wallet and claim your reward. Watch carefully. Now I'll show you the entire process step by step.